Hi there. Today we're going live to talk about self-massage, the how-to, and the benefits of it. So, the Professional Massage Academy is an online massage therapy school with a hands-on in-class component and training. Our mission is to educate and inspire knowledgeable, compassionate, and confident therapists that can positively impact the community. We pledge unwavering dedication to excellence in education, ethics, and professionalism in the massage industry. If you don't have the time to schedule a massage as often as you'd like and you need immediate relief, it's hard to know how to help relieve your pain and symptoms in a safe and effective way. So today we're going to talk about self-massage, the how-to, and the benefits of regular self-massage. So first of all, what is self-massage? Self-massage refers to techniques that someone can perform on themselves to decrease tightness and massage areas of their own body. There are many types of massage that can be applied either with your own hands or with certain tools. And there can be different levels of depth to the techniques that one might use, as well as different reasoning or circumstances to perform them. So people who employ self-massage techniques tend to have less pain. They find it relieving of their pain, can reduce stress. It can keep tightness out of your tissues and your muscles and allow for that relief between your massages. It also promotes blood circulation, which can help you recover faster from your workouts. So if you have a hard workout and usually you get tight afterwards, or you feel sort of that post-workout soreness, these self-massage techniques can actually help to reduce those symptoms that you might otherwise feel. Again, self-massage is a great way to keep healthy muscles in between your regular massage therapy appointments. So for areas of the body that feel tight or sore, or areas that tend to hold stress, it's recommended to use long stroking type motions or movements similar to a type of massage technique called effleurage. Effleurage is a technique known under the umbrella of Swedish massage, and it's pretty gentle with long stroking movements. So some of these common areas that hold stress or tension are the neck and the shoulders, the low back, or even the thighs and the hips. This technique is great for anywhere on the body that's feeling sore, and the low pressure provides low risk of aggravating your symptoms or making it worse, but high reward of being able to stretch it out and relax those areas. So for example, if you were to provide this self-massage technique to your own neck and shoulders, you would want to use those long stroking motions along, for example, your upper trap muscle, providing some pressure, but not so much that it's uncomfortable. So just moving along the length of the muscle, back and forth, like that. It can be done with lotion or oil to help your fingertips move a little bit more smoothly in that area, or you can just go right on the skin. That's fine too. All right, then we're going to move on to the next technique, deeper techniques. These can be helpful in areas of spasm or tight knots in the muscle. And basically what you're trying to do is to get the muscle and the tissue to release from being tight and spasmed. So usually it's going to be a little bit deeper pressure, and you can use either your fingertips or even the heel of your hand. And you're going to find that particular knot or spot that you want to work on, and you're going to hold pressure on that area for about 90 seconds. That's the amount of time that it takes usually for that area to release. So again, you're going to find that tight muscle or that tight spot and just have sustained pressure on that area. You do want to go deeply, but you don't want to go so deeply that you're clenching your teeth or not able to breathe into the pressure. So we'll do another example of this. Let's now say that I have a knot in my upper trap muscle. You're going to find that area or that knot, and you can use your fingertips or the heel of your hand. You're going to press down and you're going to breathe into it. And you're going to hold this area until you either feel it release or up to 90 seconds with that sustained pressure. And how much pressure to use? Usually you want to meet the amount of pressure or spasm that you're feeling with that same amount of pressure. All right, good. So this area is helpful for areas, or this technique, excuse me, is helpful for areas of the body that tend to get knots, such as your calves, your hamstrings, your pec muscles in the front of your chest, or other trigger points, like I said, in the upper shoulders, neck area, tend to be common as well. There are some areas of the body that are difficult to self-massage, like your mid-back, your low back, or even just your body in general. And when this happens, it's very helpful to use certain tools to help to get to those areas to self-massage. So there's some tools out there that tend to be really effective. One popular tool is a foam roller, and there are many techniques that you can use this foam roller to help release those tissues, especially on the posterior aspect of the body, like the mid-back or low back, glutes, or hamstrings. You can also use what's called a Theragun. It's a tool that uses mechanical vibration and pressure to help release those areas. And sometimes, depending on where it is, you can actually get to it a little more easily and just have the massage tool right on that area. If you don't have those, you can grab a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball and go up against the wall and place that tool or ball exactly where you need it, and then go back and forth, up and down, or have sustained pressure into the area of tightness or soreness with the ball. And if you find that the ball keeps falling and is difficult to get in the right position, then put the ball in a sock or a pillowcase, and then you can hold on to it a little bit easier. You can throw it over your shoulder and get to that mid-back area, low back, whatnot, like that. So try those techniques at home. All of these techniques can be performed at any time in the comfort of your own home. If you're unsure which technique would be best to use with what is going on with you, it's always good to speak to a massage therapist for guidance and help. And it's always good to consult a professional to determine what's going on and make sure that these are techniques that are safe to use in this way in terms of self-massage. You never want to have pain or increase in pain when you're doing them, and you want to take caution and stop if you feel like it's making it worse, or if you're going too deep and it does feel painful, just stop. All right, hope that was helpful, and stay up to date at what's happening at PMA by joining our newsletter. You can go to our website to sign up. To learn more, contact us with any questions. So go ahead and go to the professionalmassageacademy.com. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.